Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make meatball with crushed new potato and herbal sauce. For this recipe we need meat. You can choose beef or lamb. And we need new potato, some seasoning and herb. For the amount of herb, please check the description. And we need 1 tablespoon tomato puree, 1 medium onion and half a lime. Let's go and cook. We are going to fry the onion and then add the meatball to it. For a better fry onion, you can burn the water at the first and then add your oil. To add your meat, bring the heat down and add it one by one. Wait until your meatball fry on one side and then turn it. Our food is ready and I'm going to plate it up. I have prepared crushed new potato and I'm going to serve it with this meatball. So I'm going to gently move these to our plate and so beautiful meatball. This is my meatball with crushed new potato and herbal sauce. Hope you enjoy this recipe, and please like our video on YouTube if you like it. Thank you for watching. Keep safe.